Hi, I'm Eric from studsracing.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install a nitrogen gas shock on an MB200. So today we're going to do the MB200 shock install. I just want to cover some basics here. Again, this is the stock shock that comes on the MB200. It's very, very kind of low quality. You can see it's got a cutout in the back here to reduce weight. It's got some nylon bushings. It's not adjustable. I've had people ask me, can you service these? I don't recommend servicing these at all. These are gas filled. If you try to take them apart, it'll probably just blow up in your face and create some harm that you don't want to create. So yeah, the whole reason to do this is to increase the travel, to switch to a progressive shock, and the other portion of it is this is nitrogen filled, which is absolutely way better than this factory shock here. It also comes with a little spanner wrench to adjust your tension or your spring rate. You can bring it down more to make it more firm, and that nitrogen is going to respond a lot better. Along with these bushings, these are rubber bushings, so it's going to give you a little more give on top of the nylon bushings as well. These shocks are a little bit longer, which also increases the travel of the MB200's rear swing arm, which is absolutely excellent for the people who like to ride trails, 2 tracks, things like that. Let's show you how to install it. Okay, so what you're going to do on the shock removal, I've already taken the other side off, and when you do this, and you do both sides, you really want to have a buddy or a friend or somebody to hold this up. When you take both of these off, this whole back end is going to drop right down onto the fender, could potentially break your fender. If your fingers are in the way, it could pinch your fingers. So you really want to get something from up top to support it, and when I say that, something from here pulling up. If you put a jack underneath it, you could do it that way too, but it's going to kind of be awkward and kind of cumbersome to do it that way. So I've already taken the bottom bolt out because the other shock's a little bit longer, so this just simply comes out right here. And on the gun here, I got a 14 millimeter, and on the back side, it's a 14 millimeter nut. So that comes off, same at the top, pull it out, there's your stock shock. Go ahead and take your new shock, put it in there, put your bolt in, put your nut on the back, and then here's where you're going to need a little bit of help. This you got to lift up, put it into place. It's a little tight, and then put your nut on the back there. Tighten them both down with your impact gun and your wrench, and you're good to go. And you can take a look from the back side to see how it looks. So one of the other things you're going to want to do when you do the install is the chain guard on the back side here. You want to notch it out a little bit. As you can see in the very back, it kind of touches, but it kind of doesn't. I can actually flex this in a little bit here, and you can see it doesn't touch, but I would just notch that out a little bit just for movement. You can buy these shocks on our website at studsracing.com. Again, another excellent upgrade to the MB200. Thanks again for watching.